Follow these steps to troubleshoot the no sale error message on GVC One vending machines. This includes model 3589. The first step is always to open the door and press the service mode button. This will outline the error message. Here are some important things to check that may cause the no sale error message. One is not seeing motors. To perform a motor count, press the service mode button and verify it says the correct motor count. Press 2 to perform a motor count. Another is having health safety on. This should never be on for your machine. Press 4, then 9 to turn it off. Press pound to save. It's important to make sure all your MDB connections are properly secure. This includes your coin mechanism, your bill validator, and your credit card reader. Another is having the timer turned on. If the timer is on to no run during a certain time, it will say no sale. Another is settings that are improperly set. Can bottle selections should only be set on 3500 and 3578 machines. In service mode, press 4 for configuration. You can set all the selections to the same configuration. You can also set individual selections based on the product you're selling in each selection. Press 3 to set all items to the same configuration. Press 3 to scroll through the options. Press pound to save. Press star to exit.